How to become successful at affiliate marketing. If you're wondering about a way to make some extra money online, you probably already know about affiliate marketing. Although, starting a new site and maintaining it with videos and advertisements might be daunting for the first time. This video provides several easy and effective tips that can help you succeed. To find the right affiliate marketing company, look for products that sell well. You should look at the statistics of their websites. How many people who visited the website bought something? Browse through the website yourself and see if it presents the products in a way that makes you want to buy. Diversify your affiliate marketing strategy. Do not put all of your advertising eggs in a single basket. No matter how tightly you focus on a particular niche, you should be able to find more than one affiliate to partner with. Maintaining good relationships with multiple affiliates will give you a safety net in case one advertiser ceases to be profitable. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to test products before you advertise them. If you are displeased with the product, it is likely that your customers or subscribers will be as well. Advertising an unsatisfactory product will decrease your credibility and trustworthiness, while advertising a quality product will do the opposite. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, choose items that sell for high prices over low-priced products. While this seems counterproductive at first, the effort it takes to market each of these items is the same, so it makes more sense to promote a product that will earn you more. Hopefully, these tips will give you a better idea on how to write videos, place and update ads, and maintain a reader base that is the key for success. Don't expect to become rich overnight. Affiliate programs take practice and a lot of effort, but can be a great alternative source of money. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.